The G35 3.5. We're going to be changing out this low pressure hose. This is the high one. I'll go down, show you where the low one's at. Here, right back where the rack and pinions at, you got this one. It goes all the way across. See my fingers, these, and it hooks in this long piece right back here. We gotta get this zip tie here cut off. Got my box knife. And this is how you cut it. You just gotta be careful, it's already cut. Fished in my zip tie, my knife through this area where the other rack and pinions at. Use this metal blade. My blade was too long, so I gotta use the Dremel. Alright, this the other side, 14 millimeter. It's already loose enough, I should be able to twist it with my hand now. Still some clips back here. Just gonna pull it out through here. Just pull it straight out through here. Just finished putting that 14 millimeter impact on it. Got it off. Fabrication going on here. This hose was way longer than the original, so pretty much cut that tip off. We're gonna put our own little elbow to the exact size. It's in there. There we got it. Alright, so got some altering going on here. We're gonna cut it back right here and then put a little elbow piece in there so it can sit right. Alright, got it.